Alright y'all, back up in the stand. This is the Assault 2. This cushion here, guys, don't mind it. It's a Hunt Comfort. They don't make them no more. They have gel in them. The best thing ever. And I own like 10 of them. But that's your Assault 2. Them are stick talons where my sticks go from back in the day. Still today. That's a Lone Wolf pull-up rope. Made by Lone Wolf. Yeah, this is this is for your bow. Your cam sits in there, and it sits between your legs. That's it. Oh, and here's my one mod I did to this stand. Beast bracket, antler bracket I put on. I think this bracket's a lot better than the original. Not saying that the original sucks. That's it, guys. Alright. Do you have any questions? Like, come. Oh, real quick. Sorry. This little strap right there. This little guy right here. It is awesome. It's actually a 3-foot extension for your cam straps. You used to be able to get them on Lone Wolf Portables True Stands website. They're no longer around, but if you go to Novix Outdoors, Oak Leaf, same thing, Lone Wolf, Oak Leaf, they were all the same. Go there and get that, and if you get a big tree and you don't have enough cam buckle, this will give you extra 3 feet. Alright guys and girls, have a good Sunday. Peace.